Do you know why performance marketers are in high demand? Are you aware that mastering Google Ads can significantly boost your career prospects? Do you know that freelancers in performance marketing can earn competitive salaries while enjoying flexible work hours? Then watch this video till the end to explore one of the high-paying hidden jobs. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google that allows businesses to create and display ads across Google's extensive network, including search results, websites, and YouTube. It operates on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, enabling advertisers to reach targeted audiences effectively and drive traffic to their websites. Why to take Google Ads training? Completing a Google Ads training opens the door to a diverse range of exciting career opportunities. Graduates can pursue in-demand roles such as Google Ads Specialist, PPC Pay-per-click Manager, Digital Marketing Strategist, SEM Search Engine Marketing Analyst, E-commerce Marketing Manager, Marketing Consultant. As businesses increasingly recognize the power of online advertising, the demand for skilled Google Ads professionals continues to grow. Graduates of our training can expect competitive starting salaries ranging from Rs 2.7 to 3 lakhs for entry-level positions. With experience and expertise, professionals can earn Rs 7 to 10 lakhs or more, depending on their role and the scale of the campaigns they manage. World of career opportunities across various industries. Currently, there are over 4,855 job listings on Naukri and approximately 8,203 on LinkedIn, all seeking talented Google Ads specialists and digital marketing professionals to help them enhance their online advertising efforts and drive sales. Who can take Google Ads training? Ideal for individuals looking to start a career in digital marketing and understand the fundamentals of online advertising. Perfect for entrepreneurs who want to learn how to effectively promote their products and services through Google Ads to drive sales and leads. Great for current marketers seeking to enhance their skills and stay updated with the latest trends in pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. Valuable for freelancers aiming to offer Google Ads management services to clients, expanding their portfolio and income potential. Useful for e-commerce professionals looking to optimize their online advertising efforts and increase conversions through targeted campaigns. Beneficial for students pursuing degrees in marketing, business, or related fields who wish to gain practical skills that enhance their employability. Ideal for bloggers, influencers, and video creators who want to learn how to promote their content effectively using paid advertising. Great for salespeople who want to understand how to leverage Google Ads to generate leads and enhance their sales strategies. Useful for trainers and HR professionals who want to implement effective Google Ads training programs within their organizations. Open to anyone with a passion for digital marketing and a desire to leverage Google Ads as a powerful advertising tool. Ideal for job aspirants and housewives who are on a career break and looking to acquire in-demand skills to land high-paying jobs in the tech industry. Benefits of learning Google Ads. Here are the top reasons why you should master Google Ads. Google Ads professionals are in high demand across various industries, both in India and globally. Mastering Google Ads opens the door to high-paying roles in digital marketing, helping you secure your financial future. Whether you're a student, working professional, or homemaker, Google Ads skills fit perfectly into any lifestyle. Even if you took a break from your career, the skill makes re-entering the workforce easy. You don't need to be a tech expert to earn a great salary in this field. Google Ads is accessible and rewarding. Many students and homemakers start freelancing and earning money while they study. Google Ads skills can bring immediate income. With Google Ads expertise, you can work remotely or even freelance from the comfort of your home. You can quickly advance from a Google Ads specialist to a marketing strategist, unlocking numerous career paths. Dreaming of starting your own business? Google Ads is crucial for building and growing your online brand effectively. Learning Google Ads enables you to offer freelance services, helping businesses improve their online advertising and increase revenue. Companies are investing heavily in digital advertising, ensuring your skills remain highly sought after. Why Google Ads training at Kandra Digital? Comprehensive curriculum. Our training covers all aspects of Google Ads, including keyword research, ad creation, campaign management, and performance analysis. Industry experienced instructors learn from seasoned professionals with extensive experience in digital marketing and Google Ads, ensuring practical insights and up-to-date knowledge. Hands-on learning. Participate in real-world projects and case studies that allow you to apply your skills in a practical setting and build a robust portfolio. Flexible learning options. Choose from online and in-person classes that fit your schedule, making it easy to balance your training with other commitments. Career support services. Access resume building, interview preparation, and job placement assistance to help you kickstart your career in digital marketing. Networking opportunities. Connect with fellow students and industry experts, expanding your professional network for future job opportunities. Up-to-date knowledge. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends, tools, and best practices in Google Ads to ensure your skills remain relevant in the competitive job market. Certification. Earn a recognized certification upon completion of the course, validating your expertise and enhancing your employability. Affordable pricing. Benefit from competitive course fees and flexible payment plans, making high-quality education accessible to everyone. Supportive learning environment. Join a community of learners who share a passion for digital marketing, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing throughout your training journey. Portfolio creation. Work on real projects that not only enhance your learning but also help you create a standout portfolio, showcasing your skills to potential employers. We will help our students in creating strong portfolio. Get trained with Kandra Digital. Become an expert in Google Ads with a strong portfolio, receive career assistance from us, land your high-paying dream job. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Google Ads course at Kandra Digital today and unlock a world of opportunities. Enroll now. Start your Google Ads learning journey today. For more details, visit kandradigital.com.